Biogas is a renewable energy source produced from the decomposition of organic materials such as animal manure, crop residues, and food waste. For smallholder farmers, biogas offers a practical solution to manage waste and generate clean energy for cooking and lighting. By adopting biogas systems, farmers can reduce their reliance on traditional fuels, lower household expenses, and improve environmental sustainability. Understanding biogas is essential for those seeking to enhance farm productivity and contribute to a healthier community. Biogas is a renewable energy source generated through the breakdown of organic materials such as animal manure and crop residues. This process, known as anaerobic digestion, occurs when microorganisms decompose these wastes in the absence of oxygen. As a result, biogas is produced, primarily consisting of methane and carbon dioxide. The methane component can be used as fuel for heating, electricity generation, or even vehicle power. Utilizing farm waste to produce biogas not only provides energy, but also helps manage agricultural byproducts in an environmentally friendly way. A simple biogas system is made up of several key components that work together to produce and store biogas. The digester is the central chamber where organic waste is broken down by microorganisms in an oxygen-free environment. The inlet is where raw materials, such as food scraps or animal manure, are introduced into the system. After digestion, the processed material exits through the outlet. Finally, the gas storage unit collects and holds the biogas generated, making it available for use as a renewable energy source. Organic waste is carefully loaded into the digester, where the environment is optimized for bacterial activity. Once inside, bacteria begin to break down the waste through a process called anaerobic digestion. As the bacteria consume the organic material, they produce biogas, a mixture primarily composed of methane and carbon dioxide. This biogas can then be captured and used as a renewable energy source. The entire process transforms waste into valuable energy while reducing environmental impact. Anaerobic digestion is a biological process in which microorganisms break down organic waste in the absence of oxygen. During this process, complex materials such as food scraps, manure, and plant residues are converted into simpler compounds. The main products of anaerobic digestion are biogas, which contains methane and carbon dioxide, and a nutrient-rich digestate. Methane produced in biogas can be used as a renewable energy source for heating, electricity, or fuel. This transformation not only reduces waste, but also provides valuable energy and fertilizer, making anaerobic digestion an important tool for sustainable waste management. Biogas is a versatile energy source that can be utilized in several ways on a farm. It can be piped directly to stoves for cooking, providing a clean and efficient alternative to traditional fuels. Additionally, biogas can be used to fuel lamps, offering reliable lighting in areas without access to electricity. With the proper equipment, biogas can also power engines and machinery, helping to operate farm tools and irrigation systems. This flexibility makes biogas an invaluable resource for improving daily life and productivity on the farm. Biogas offers several advantages for smallholder farmers. By converting organic waste into energy, biogas systems help reduce reliance on traditional fuels, leading to lower fuel costs and increased savings. The process also improves sanitation by safely managing animal and household waste, minimizing environmental pollution. Additionally, the byproduct of biogas production is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can enhance soil quality and boost crop yields. These combined benefits contribute to more sustainable and efficient farming practices. Biogas offers significant environmental benefits by capturing methane from organic waste and converting it into usable energy. This process helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. Additionally, biogas can serve as an alternative to traditional fuels, decreasing the demand for firewood and thereby helping to prevent deforestation. By utilizing biogas, communities can promote cleaner air and preserve natural habitats. Overall, biogas is a practical solution for supporting a healthier planet. Maintaining a biogas system involves several key practices to ensure optimal performance. Regular feeding with organic waste is essential, as it keeps the bacteria active and the gas production steady. Cleaning the digester and associated pipes prevents blockages and helps maintain hygiene. It's also important to monitor gas output frequently, which can indicate if the system is functioning properly or if adjustments are needed. By following these steps, you can maximize efficiency and extend the lifespan of your biogas setup. Smallholder farmers across various regions have experienced remarkable transformations thanks to biogas technology. By converting organic waste into clean energy, these farmers have reduced their dependence on traditional fuels and lowered household expenses. Many report improved crop yields due to the nutrient-rich slurry produced as a byproduct. Additionally, biogas systems have contributed to healthier living environments by minimizing smoke and indoor air pollution. These real-life stories highlight how sustainable solutions can empower communities and enhance everyday life. Biogas adoption often faces several challenges, including limited access to suitable feedstock, initial investment costs, and a lack of technical knowledge. Many communities struggle with maintaining consistent gas production due to improper management of organic waste. Simple solutions, such as providing training on feedstock selection and system maintenance, can significantly improve biogas efficiency. Additionally, financial incentives or microloans help offset installation expenses, making biogas systems more accessible. By addressing these barriers, biogas technology can become a practical and sustainable energy option for more households. SMART-AGRI Hub plays a crucial role in empowering farmers by providing access to valuable information, specialized training, and essential resources focused on renewable energy solutions. Through its platform, farmers can learn about the latest advancements in sustainable technologies and how to implement them effectively on their farms. The hub offers guidance on topics such as solar power, wind energy, and efficient irrigation systems, helping farmers reduce costs and environmental impact. By fostering knowledge and practical skills, SMART-AGRI Hub enables agricultural communities to transition toward more sustainable practices. We appreciate your interest in sustainable farming and hope you found these tips helpful. SMART-AGRI Hub is dedicated to providing practical guidance that supports environmentally friendly agricultural practices. By staying informed, you can make meaningful changes on your farm and contribute to a healthier planet. Continue exploring new ideas and innovations to enhance your farming methods.